What are you guys doing? Oh, careful, honey. Careful. You're going to bring that light down. Oh, my goodness. There he is. Which one? Do you have Sissy or Piggy? Hey, you guys having fun playing with your new toys?
Yeah. See my froggy swinging?
I see your froggy swinging. Oh, sister, careful with the poor piggy. My goodness.
You don't want to make bacon.
There he goes. Look at him bounce. Can you catch it?
Thanks, I couldn't use cheese.
Where'd you get your cool new present?
It's from Darren. No, Ellen. From Ellen.
All right, babies. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.